Welcome to the weekly challenge. This week, I'm going to challenge you to create a couple of projects and solutions from the .NET command line. The bonus challenge may even require you to add new templates to that command line. Whether you're using VS Code or just quickly scripting out a project, the .NET command line tools can be really powerful. Now, if you're not familiar with the weekly challenge, let me explain. Each week, I challenge you to tackle a topic in C#. I give you all the materials you need to get started. Each challenge should take between 10 minutes and half an hour. That isn't a lot of time to dedicate to improving your C# skills, but I guarantee you, if you do a challenge each week, your skills will grow. Now, if you're interested in how I would do it, or if you get stuck, you can follow the link in the description to sign up for my solutions. The best part is you get all of the back issues of the challenges as well. Either way, there's another link in the description to get the challenge files associated with this challenge, including the PDF I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, so the goal for this challenge is to create a solution on the command line, and then create an ASP.NET Core Razor Pages application on the command line and associate with the solution. Also create a class library from the console that is in the solution and referenced by the web application. Okay, so the end goal here is you have a solution, you have two projects, one a web project, one a class library, where both are in the solution and where the web project references the class library. Now there's no writing code here. This is just getting started. But do all of this from the command line. Okay, so open up PowerShell or the CMD for command line, or something like that, and run these commands. Don't run them in Visual Studio with the UI, okay? And the benefit here is by knowing these things, you can very, very quickly script out and create a starter template for yourself, okay? You can also use these on other platforms like a Mac or Linux, okay? So the tools you have now can work across all three platforms. Now, once you've conquered that, then move on to the bonus challenge. And the bonus challenge might be a little trickier. So the bonus challenge is to create a .NET Core 3.0 Azure Function app from the command line with the timer trigger. Okay? So just one solution, one project, and inside that project, it's going to be a timer trigger function. Now you don't need an Azure subscription to do this. This is just, it's called an Azure Function app, but you can run it locally and you don't have to have a subscription in order to create this project or even run it locally. All right. Now here's the tricky bit. You may not have the tools you need on the command line, on the .NET command line, to create an Azure function. But there's a way to do it. So give it a shot. Figure out what do you do if you don't have the tools you need on .NET. Okay, so you go to command line, type .NET new. If you can't create an Azure function there, what do you do? All right, there's a solution. I encourage you to go and look and find it, because this will make your ability to use a .NET command line go to the next level. Okay, so that is the challenge for this week. Create that solution with the two projects, and then create another solution with the Azure Function Timer Trigger project in it. Okay? Good luck and happy coding.